welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited about our recipe. Today I am in the process of making, right there in that pot, I am making a curry goat with potatoes, and I'm gonna make flatbread to go with it. So I'm gonna show you how I make my flatbread. Very simple, very easy. 3 ingredients. It's gonna be flour, baking powder, and yogurt. So I already have the flour in this bowl right here. Here we go. So I'm gonna take the yeast now. Not the yeast, but the baking. I'm gonna take the baking powder, and I'm gonna take the baking powder and put some in here. Okay, there we go. Put the baking powder there. Then we're gonna get the yogurt. So once you put the 3 ingredients in the bowl, the flour, the baking powder, and the yogurt in the bowl, you get your hands in here and you mix it up. Okay, you can take a spoon and mix it up. Actually, you should probably take a spoon and mix it up if you're more comfortable with a spoon. But we mix it up together. Here we go. Okay, so now that you put it together, I'm gonna sprinkle a bit of flour on the countertop, and I'm gonna put it all on the countertop. See, it's very soft, and because it's a baking powder kind of bread, you don't need to put it to rest or anything like that. I'm gonna wash my hands. Cut it. Here we go. I'm making quite a lot because my kids love this. Whenever I do this, my kids love this. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on it, and then I'm gonna roll them into little balls. Okay, okay, so what we're trying to make is a circle. It may not go in a circle per se, but that is really what we're trying to do, is to roll it out into a circle. All right, this one is too small. Okay, so here we go. This is a really small one, but I'm going to show you what I usually do next. Okay, so now that I have made these, this is not the perfect size that I want, but this ball was a little bit too small, smaller than I would have wanted it. So I have the frying pot here. I'm going to put it on the stove right now. And you see this right here, this is crushed garlic with oil. We're gonna paste it on one side of the flatbread, on the side that is going face down in the pan. Okay, we're gonna do it together anyway. So let the frying pan come up to a temperature. We're gonna just paste this. Here we go. So you can see it, right? the little pieces of the garlic and all that. So now we're gonna go and put that face down. Can you see all the bubbles? You can see the bubbles. The edge. Let me get a spatula. Let it stay a little bit longer. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at all the marks and the coloring on this. So good, guys. The garlic, this smells really good. I can't emphasize how good this smells. Okay, so this is a small one. I'm gonna do the others bigger, but you get the idea of what it is you're supposed to do, okay? Let's take it out. So guys, it is all done. It is all done. Here we go. I'm sorry, I ate. This is so good. I've been eating it. You got to try this, okay? Hold on, let's get some of the curry that has been on the stove. So we have this curry here. We have some flatbread right here. So how about we just try this right here? Oh, not picking up anything. But this is so hot, guys. Wait. Just try this. Oh, this is too hot. This one is a thin one, so it's crispy. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, for coming back to my channel. Listen, guys, this is so good that you should have your ingredients with you and just do it along with me, okay? Because have some good curry or whatever it is that you want to have it with. Maybe some saltfish. Do up saltfish instead of bakes, instead of fried dumpling, whatever it is, or bread you eat it with. Or if you do up some melon jam, some eggplant. This would be really good with some saltfish bojo as well. Even stewed chicken. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe my video. Drop a comment for me in the comment section. We do like having you. Actually, I love having you guys. Share this video. Share it all. Mwah. Bye bye. Yes, Nathaniel eating his.
Alright, time to do the taste test.
He's doing the taste test.
Can't talk, guys, so.
Yeah, he's doing the taste test. Look at him.
Let me get a little piece of this.
Tell us what you think. How is it? There is his boo. That's his. He been eating in it anyway. You just seen his reaction now, but he been eating it. They love. My kids love the bread. They love the bread.
Which is really good.
Thanks again, guys, for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell them
subscribe, like, hit the post notification. I'm watching you. Hit the post notification bell right now. Right now. Right now. Okay, good job. Now, make sure to hit the like and make sure to comment whatever like suggestions or anything you feel like, and we'll look at it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah.
Bye bye.